Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to the channel. My name's Tim, and yeah, today we're heading out off-roading. So I'm taking that truck you see there, the V8 Disco. We'll be heading up the Port Hills probably, go to Worsley's Road. Should be a great day, and yeah, you guys get to see what my channel's all about. So we'll wait for Sam and then let's get to it. Meet Sam. This is Sam.
No, hello.
Yeah, so straight pipe, no more muffler, winning. Right, we're about ready to go. Right guys, well, plans changed, not going up the Port Hills anymore. Gonna go hit up the Selwyn River. We just got the loud exhaust on. Yeah. Sounds so good. And being responsible, just chucked the spark arrestor back on as well, just so we don't go setting any fires. So just waiting on Josh and Taylor turning up, and we'll hit the tracks.
Sweet.
Way better.
There's Josh.
So yeah, we are going to be doing the Selwyn. This is just a little side track that gets us there without using the main road. It's just a bit of fun, you know, so why not? All this here is why it pays to have your spark arrestor on. Anyway, let's hit the track. What a oh! That's a big bird.
Now, that's a hawk's eagle in its natural habitat. Wow. We're going to get stuck though, because it isn't a Hilux. Oh, hello. Put his window overs on.
Right guys, so we made it to the river. Josh is just going to chuck those hubs in. Hi Josh, how are you?
Tired.
Yeah, you look it. Hi Taylor.
Yeah.
Oh.
Need a bit of mud. I got all dirty. There we go, that's better. So we originally thought it was going to be quite easy. Yeah. Alright, see you, Tim. Just a bit, yeah. Go for it. And would you look at that? She's out.
Round two.
Good pulling, Josh.
Ow!
Jeez! Timothy! And we're out.
And that's how you drive it if you're sensible.
Going into the lake High Point. Just like that. Wow.
We changed drivers.
So now we're going from easy to super easy.
Oh, hold up, we've got some zooms.
We got some friends, boys.
Jeez.
Oh, they're running in those.
Mate, that was awesome. So one of those had a Toyota 4K in it, and the other one had a Nissan Sylvia motor. Sam, would you like to update us on our current situation?
So basically, because the council, they've blocked everywhere off, which means we can't get out. But it's all good because we're airing down and we're gonna go get food.
Yes, that's right.
But the council,
all the gates to get out are locked. So we're now having to drive all the way back up where we just came down, and that was some serious stuff. We're getting stuck going downstream, so we're just airing down. As you can see, Josh is going from 35 down to 15, and I'm going from 35 down to 8 because I got the bead locks. So yeah, let's get airing down.
just to add, council.
We're off.
We're at the real bad spot again. Tim's got his mouthpiece in, and yeah, we're just gonna give her a blast. That's easy. Just like that.
all good, front turn. Guys, well, made it out onto the road. We've come out there from Whistles Ford. Now we've just got to head back, find a local petrol station, because I didn't think today was going to be serious and I didn't bother packing an air compressor, so always go prepared, don't be like Tim. Yeah, I'm running 8 PSI and we've got 100k roads, so that's not ideal, but we'll just cruise back slowly, get some air in it, and wrap up the vlog.
Hello the world on Tim's vlogging channel. Today we are going to drive to a petrol station and pump the tyres up, because Tim got the thing that makes the tyres go woo and not flat.
We have finished the trip, airing up our tyres. Quick note to New Zealanders, VPs, they have the best pumps. They are awesome. Anyway, just getting a bit of air in. Thanks, Sam! Alrighty guys, well, gonna focus, there we go. That's pretty much it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it as much as I did enjoy filming it for you guys. One thing I want to note before I wrap this up is I know I keep saying, man, this is serious, blah 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 blah. Sure doesn't look it. What you can't see is the pea gravel is so soft. There's just been a flood through the Selwyn, so it's really stirred what's already soft into just ridiculously soft pea gravel. So that's what I keep referring to as, oh, serious this, serious that, because I know sure sounds like I was going on. Anyway, that's by the by. We're gonna wrap it up now. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give us a thumbs up. So appreciated. I hate asking, but you know, I gotta. And yeah, subscribe to stay tuned for more. We have so much more coming up. I actually went out and filmed another video today, which so good, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, if you would like to help support the channel, the best thing you can do is give us a share. I know not many YouTubers ask for it, but it is so appreciated. That's the best way of helping out us small YouTubers who are keen to grow. So yeah, quick thing, I guess more a channel related thing than an actual today's video sort of thing, but I'm looking to upload at least once a week. So I know it doesn't sound very regular, but when you realise how much time goes into filming, not to mention the amount of money which goes into filming, I've spent, yeah, each trip probably cost me 60-80 bucks in petrol. So I mean, that out of my paycheck once a week, it hurts. Anyway, I'll finally wrap it up. I know I've said it enough times, but this is it. Thank you for watching, and yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Cheers guys, see ya.